Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2012 Bison Trail Hand. This trailer is a steel frame aluminum skin. Cool story about this trailer. I had this trailer in 2014 when it was 2 years old and sold it on consignment in 2014. And here it is 2024, 10 years later, and it's back on my lot. So kind of cool story. It actually has held up quite well. I'm pretty impressed with the condition it's in. So a couple things about it. Obviously it's got a sticker on the nose of somebody's, that was the very first people that had it. It does have an added hydraulic jack now. 2 propane tanks, 2 batteries. White in color, no graphics. It does have an escape door with a slider window. It has 2 drop-down windows with bars in the last 2 stalls. It does have an added ramp. So it's got a rear ramp that folds up. Rear tack, collapsible. Saddle rack. They've put carpet in to keep the bridles from rubbing the white. Spare tire. Stepping up in the horse box. It's got some E-track that they left in the first stall for storage. Padded dividers in great shape. Padding's great. Sliders on the rear. Horse box is in great shape. I mean, it has some, some wear and tear along the edge back here. That's atypical in these used trailers, but I'm super pleased with the condition it's in. Roof vents, walk-through door. Lower divider, telescopic divider on the last stall. Evidently, I said padding was in good shape. Something's choking me, y'all. There must have been a tear here and they patched it with a nice patch. Same thing on this side, patched it with a nice patch. So roof vents, I think I said that. So horse box in good shape. There is, and this was on it. This was actually on it when I had it. I'm pretty sure. It's got these big scratches along here. Not exactly sure what happened, but they are still there. Big kind of dent type scratches underneath that awning. So those are still here. That is the only thing on this trailer that cosmetically stands out to me majorly. Has a little step up into the LQ. This is, and I never even said, this is a 8-foot short wall, 3 horse, 7'6" tall, 7 wide. So nice cabinets above. It's got a little, let me open that up. Hanging closet here to your left, shelves to your left as well. I recovered this couch. This couch is like it is brand new. It's been restuffed and recovered. Nice chocolate color. Little cabinets up there above in the nose. Does have a TV and it does swivel around. It's an interesting setup, but it definitely does work. They've added a nice ladder, which I really like. So a nice ladder to get up to the bed area. We've got a closet space here when you open the door. Rear kitchen, small fridge. It does have a 2-burner gas top. Ugh, can't talk today. 2-burner gas top stove underneath this panel. Stainless sink, microwave. Trying to get that accordion-style door. All right. Bathroom has got the corner, well, it's kind of like a corner shower, but believe it or not, I mean, it's quite roomy. It's the same size of shower that's in the Murr house in the 7 wides. It's got 2 cabinets here. So, I mean, this little trailer's got a lot of cabinet space for its size. We've got a walk-through door to the back, toilet, and then we have another nice closet here. So, a lot of storage space in this particular unit. So, just kind of scanning back out for you. 7308 Bison Trail Hand, solid trailer. This trailer's in great shape considering I saw it over 10 years ago, and here it is back, and it seems to be holding up quite well. So, great trailer, Bison Trail Hand. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. We are located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. The best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. We do not put price on our trailers here on YouTube. It is on our website, carolinatrailersales.com, as well as seeing if this trailer is still available. That's the best way to go, guys. Y'all have a great day.